Alright, so this is the large bird feeder with solar panel on it. As you can see, with these large suction cups, it's easy to mount. And then very easy to take off. Filling is quite easy. And now it's time for the birds to enjoy. Here's the bird feeder that has a solar panel light. So during early morning or dusk, you can give a little bit of extra light for the birds. Nice little padding here for the birds to be able to put their feet on so they won't hurt them on the plexiglass. Aerated holes to let any water that comes in drip out. Large suction cups hold very well, and with the large opening you can get right in and feed with ease. This is a nice plexiglass clear 3-suction cup holder bird feeder. It's very nice, good size. Extremely easy to adhere to the window. And it comes with this little tray that you put on the outside here. And that's where, when the birds go potty, it catches it.